This is a Huawei Nova 11 Pro, and today I will show how you can connect this device to VPN. So to start, you will need to launch the app gallery, then find and download the Turbo VPN app. Onwards, you gotta launch it, then tap at the green continue button, skip the ad that follows, and in order to set up the VPN connection, you gotta simply tap at the caret icon over there, then confirm the connection request, and the VPN/proxy was successfully connected to. While at it, you can adjust the server, city, or the country of your connection, or whatever. And then, if you would like to turn the VPN off, simply tap at the cross icon over there, choose the disconnect option, and that will be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.